Game was just like a final cup for us. We had to motivate ourselves. It's just a motivation for the player. If you are playing a big game, it's just a motivation, and we had to win to bring back our glory and to respect the country. Of course, we carry a big badge on our chest, so we had to win. We had to do everything to win. We had to bring our A game, each and every one.
I would say it's still an open group. We still have chances of progression to the next stage, and it's our